Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Geekworm X1001, a PCIe to M.2 hat designed to unleash the potential of NVMe SSDs on your Raspberry Pi 5. This little board promises to significantly boost your Pi 5's performance by allowing you to use a fast NVMe drive for storage. The X1001 is specifically made for the Raspberry Pi 5, and it supports a range of M.2 NVMe SSD sizes, including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. This flexibility is great because you can use drives you might already have or choose the size that best fits your needs and budget. The board itself is compact and connects to the Pi 5 via the PCIe interface. Setting up the X1001 requires a bit of technical know-how. It's not quite plug-and-play. You'll need to ensure your Raspberry Pi 5 is properly configured to recognize the NVMe drive. Geekworm provides a user manual and FAQ to guide you through the process, which is essential because it involves some OS configuration and ensuring a stable connection with the FFC cable. One thing to note is that the X1001 has limited standalone hardware functionality, so its reliable operation depends on the correct OS configuration, a stable FFC cable connection, and compatibility between the firmware and the SSD you choose. Powering the X1001 is straightforward, as it draws power directly from the FFC PCIe ribbon. Geekworm recommends using a PD27W power adapter for the Raspberry Pi 5 to ensure sufficient power delivery, especially with a power-hungry NVMe SSD. In the box, you'll find the X1001 PCIe peripheral board and an accessories pack, which includes the necessary screws and standoff for mounting your M.2 SSD. It's important to remember that the Raspberry Pi 5, SSD, TF card, and power adapter are not included, so you'll need to provide those separately. The Geekworm X1001 is a solid option for anyone looking to enhance the storage performance of their Raspberry Pi 5. While it requires some technical setup, the potential benefits of faster boot times and application loading make it a worthwhile upgrade. Just be sure to consult the Geekworm Wiki and FAQ for troubleshooting tips if you encounter any issues during the installation process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.